This tech tip is an overview of the guide for 3DStory. So let's get started. When you explore 3DStory, you'll have this little tool tip come up, point to things that you need to select. In this case, we're going to select the guide template. Next, select the community you'll be publishing it into, and then after that, it'll launch you into 3DStory. Select an image from the 3D library and drag and drop it to in the center panel. And then make adjustments to that panel, resize it, edit the text to say my story. Go through and adjust our themes by selecting the blue color, which will adjust all the colors for the background to blue. Go through and insert a new template for getting started for that blank scene we created. Go and split our scene horizontally across the two halves, which will conclude the rest of this tutorial, and it will exit without saving. Thank you for tuning into this tech tip.